Drilling rig. A drilling rig is a piece of machinery used to create holes or wells in the ground, usually to extract natural resources such as oil, gas, water, or minerals. Onshore drilling rigs used to drill onshore wells capable of drilling thousands of feet into the ground. Forwarder. A forwarder is a specialized vehicle used in the forestry industry to transport felled logs from the cutting area to a staging point. Unlike a skidder, which pulls logs above ground, a forwarder carries the logs completely off the ground, minimizing environmental impact and soil disturbance. Logging truck. Logging trucks are heavy-duty vehicles, specially designed to transport large quantities of logs from forests to processing facilities, such as sawmills or paper mills. Designed to withstand rough terrain and heavy loads in logging operations. Tunnel washing truck. Tunnel washing trucks are a specialized type of vehicle designed for the cleaning and maintenance of tunnels. These vehicles are equipped with a variety of cleaning mechanisms to ensure that the walls, ceilings, and road surfaces within the tunnel are kept clean. Vacuum truck. Vacuum trucks, also known as waste suction trucks, are specialized vehicles designed to suck, transport, and process liquids, sludge, and waste from manholes, tanks, or places that need to suck liquids. Vacuum trucks are often used in jobs such as cleaning sewers, sucking sludge, or transporting dangerous liquids. Road zipper truck. A median transfer vehicle, also known as a road zipper, is a type of vehicle whose primary function is to move concrete medians, allowing for flexible lane adjustments on highways or other roads. Road paint truck. Road marking vehicles, also known as road marking vehicles, are responsible for painting lanes, crosswalks, arrows, and other traffic signs on streets, highways, and parking lots. These vehicles are equipped with paint spraying systems that can use thermoplastic, epoxy, or water-based paints, depending on the type of markings and road surface. Water tank truck. Water tankers are specialized vehicles designed to transport water. The vehicle is equipped with a large tank and a pumping system to distribute water for specific applications, such as dust control or road washing. Bridge inspection truck. Bridge inspection vehicles are specialized vehicles that help carry out bridge inspection and maintenance. They are equipped with an extendable arm that articulates around and over the bridge structure. This allows engineers and maintenance workers to access hard-to-reach areas. Liebherr 950. The Liebherr 950 is a heavy-duty excavator designed for construction and mining applications. It is part of Liebherr's Generation 8 product line, with improved operating performance compared to previous versions. The 950 is commonly used in tasks such as earth moving, quarrying, and large-scale excavation projects. Sleipner DB130. Sleipner DB130 is a specialized transport system designed to move heavy equipment. DB130 can transport heavy equipment up to 130 tons, easily moving all types of vehicles to the assigned location quickly. Hyundai HL980A. The Hyundai HL9808 is a large loader designed for heavy-duty applications in industries. Equipped with a powerful engine, typically around 460 HP, the HL9808 has an operating weight of around 31 tons, making it capable of handling large loads. Cypher K67H. The Cypher K67H is a truck-mounted concrete pump, renowned for its impressive reach and versatility, making it suitable for large construction projects requiring large volumes of concrete. The K67H has a 67-meter long boom, one of the longest on the market. This allows it to reach difficult areas on complex construction sites. Overrossen TV to OO. The Overrossen TV220 is a high-performance snowblower designed for clearing snow on large areas, such as airports, highways, and other critical infrastructure. Overrossen, a Norwegian company, specializes in manufacturing snow removal equipment. The machine has an impressive snow clearing capacity, moving up to 12,000 tons of snow per hour, suitable for demanding snow removal tasks. Cultipacker. A cultipacker is a type of agricultural equipment used primarily to prepare soil for planting. It is designed to break up clods of soil, compact the soil, and create a smooth, level layer of soil. A cultipacker consists of a series of heavy rollers or wheels with ridges that compact the soil as it is pulled by a tractor or other towing vehicle. Kemper 300 Pro. The Kemper 300 Pro may be a specific model in the Kemper Corn Fronts product line, designed for efficient corn harvesting. It is a specialized corn harvester head, typically attached to harvesters to cut and collect corn plants in large-scale agricultural operations. Rototilt R3. The Rototilt R3 is a versatile excavator attachment that allows for improved control and precision in a variety of excavation and construction tasks. It allows the excavator bucket or other tools to rotate 360 degrees and tilt up to 45 degrees, providing exceptional versatility for a variety of applications. Nordic Dyno. Nordic Dyno is an automated aircraft wash system designed to efficiently wash and maintain the cleanliness of aircraft. Developed primarily for use at airports and aircraft maintenance facilities, the Nordic Dyno system is characterized by its ability to reduce the time, effort, and water required to clean aircraft, while ensuring high hygiene standards. Claas Varian 5000. The Claas Varian 5000 is a high-performance and versatile tractor manufactured by Claas, a renowned agricultural machinery manufacturer. This tractor is designed for a variety of agricultural applications, including heavy-duty field work and transport tasks. It is equipped with a high-powered engine, typically around 530 horsepower, allowing it to handle demanding tasks with ease. Marshall Tree Saw 1600. The Marshall Tree Saw 1600 is a dedicated attachment for cutting and removing trees in forestry and land management operations. It is typically attached to an excavator or crawler tractor and is used to quickly cut tree trunks and branches. Useful in land management tasks, including clearing land for development, agriculture, or other purposes. Nemo Track Beach Cleaner. Nemo Track Beach Cleaner is a specialized equipment designed for beach cleaning. It is used to remove trash, debris, and unwanted materials from sandy and coastal areas, ensuring that beaches are clean and safe for visitors. Nemo is designed with a crawler chassis, providing stability and traction on sandy and uneven surfaces for effective operation on a variety of beach terrains. Monarch Mk5. The MKV Founder Series electric tractor is a modern agricultural equipment that uses an electric motor to replace the traditional diesel engine. This tractor series is generally designed to deliver high performance, minimize environmental impact, and save operating costs. The tractor uses an electric motor to provide power, helping to reduce emissions and noise compared to diesel-powered tractors.
Backhoe loader.
A backhoe loader is a versatile piece of heavy machinery, commonly used in construction, landscaping, and other industries that require digging and material handling. It combines three different types of equipment into one machine: a tractor, a backhoe bucket, and a backhoe crane.
Hitachi X2600.
The Hitachi X600 is a large hydraulic excavator, widely used in the mining and heavy construction industries. It is part of Hitachi's X series, which is renowned for its durability, performance, and advanced technology. The X600 is designed for large-scale excavation tasks, especially in environments such as open-pit mining.
Volvo X750D.
The Volvo EC750D is a heavy-duty hydraulic excavator designed for large-scale construction and mining operations. Equipped with a high-performance Volvo D16 engine, providing significant power and torque, this engine ensures the machine can handle difficult digging and lifting tasks efficiently. With a large bucket capacity, the EC750D can move a significant amount of material per cycle, increasing productivity on large projects.
Feller Buncher Excavator.
The feller buncher is a type of heavy equipment that is mainly used in logging operations. Its main function is to cut down trees and gather them into piles, making them easier to handle and transport later. The feller buncher is very important in modern logging, providing more efficiency and safety than traditional methods.
Excavator Gapple.
An excavator gripper is a specialized attachment that is attached to an excavator to grip, lift, and move various types of materials. A gripper typically consists of two or more curved, claw-like arms that can open and close to grip objects, allowing them to grip materials of various shapes and sizes.
Pottinger Top 1403C.
The Pottinger Top 1 for 03C is a rotary hay baler designed for agricultural use. It is part of the Pottinger range of high-performance hay balers. The Top 1 for 03C is used to collect and arrange hay or other forage crops into rows, making collection and handling easier.
Zulian Crane.
Zulian is a prominent Chinese manufacturer specializing in heavy equipment and machinery, including cranes. Zulian cranes are widely used in construction, industrial, and infrastructure projects thanks to their advanced technology, performance, and reliability.
Road Header.
Road header is a type of mining and construction equipment used for tunneling and road opening. It is designed to cut through rock and soil in various tunnels and surfaces. Road header is especially useful in creating tunnels in difficult geological conditions.
Dragline Excavator.
A dragline excavator is a large, heavy piece of equipment used primarily in mining to excavate and move large amounts of earth and rock. It is equipped with a long boom using a cable. The bucket is pulled toward the machine to scoop up the material and then lifted and dumped into a truck or other location.
Excavator wrecking ball.
Excavator wrecking ball is a large, heavy ball used primarily for demolishing buildings and structures. It is a traditional tool in demolition work, especially useful for destroying large, solid structures such as concrete buildings or brick walls.
Excavator magnet.
An excavator magnet is a powerful accessory used with excavators to lift and remove metal. The magnet is usually attached to the excavator's boom or bucket. It is often used to efficiently collect and transport metal items.
Excavator amphibious.
Amphibious excavators are a special type of excavator designed to operate effectively on both land and water. Equipped with special features and structures, amphibious excavators can move through muddy areas, swamps, and shallow water areas that conventional excavators cannot reach.
Excavator auger.
An excavator-mounted auger is an attachment that is attached to an excavator to drill holes in the ground. It is a very useful tool in construction, foundation excavation, and pile drilling. The auger saves time and effort compared to manual drilling methods or standalone drills.
Long reach excavator.
A long-reach excavator is a specially designed excavator with a long boom to perform digging and shoveling tasks at greater distances than a conventional excavator. Equipped with a long boom, it is useful in jobs that require accessing hard-to-reach areas or working at high places.
Spider excavator.
A spider excavator is a special type of excavator designed to resemble the legs of a spider, with many independent legs or wheels that help it move and stabilize on different surfaces.
Excavator rock wheel.
An excavator rock wheel is a special attachment attached to an excavator to cut and crush rocks, concrete, and other hard materials. Rock wheels are designed with sturdy cutting teeth, usually made of hard alloy or steel, to cut through hard materials such as rocks, concrete, and asphalt.
Excavator demolition.
A demolition excavator is a specialized excavator designed to perform demolition and removal work on buildings. It is often equipped with special attachments such as a hammer, clamp, and shears to break, tear, and remove hard materials such as concrete, steel, and brick.
Excavator.
Excavators are one of the most common construction equipment and can be seen on many construction sites, mining sites, and other infrastructure projects.
Bulldozer.
A bulldozer is a powerful piece of construction machinery used to push, level, and move earth, sand, and other materials on a construction site.
Motor grader.
A motor grader is a specialized construction machine used to level the ground surface, creating a slope. It has a large blade in the middle, which can be adjusted to create a ground surface with the desired flatness or slope. Cat hydraulic shovel. Cat hydraulic shovel is a heavy-duty equipment designed for digging and shoveling jobs in the construction and mining industries. These hydraulic shovels, manufactured by Caterpillar, are known for their powerful performance and durability. Degelman Rock King 9600. The Degelman Rock King 9600 is a dedicated machine designed for handling rocks in construction and mining projects. It is a rock picker that is capable of removing rocks from the ground, helping to clean and prepare the ground for further operations. Cyclone 48 Rotary Brush Cutter. The Cyclone 48 Rotary Brush Cutter is a powerful tool for cutting and clearing brush, weeds, and other plant material. With a blade diameter of up to 48 inches, the Cyclone 48 is capable of handling large areas and cutting through dense plant material effectively. Fawn Trackway. Fawn Trackway is a company that specializes in providing temporary runway and walkway solutions for military and civil applications. Their products are often used in difficult environmental conditions, helping to improve access and mobility on unstable surfaces. Emo's Bankit Freesby SL4OF. Emo's Bankit Freesby SL4OF is a machine designed for the treatment and finishing of road surfaces, especially sloped or inclined areas. The machine is powerful and efficient, saving time and effort in road surface treatment works. Vityaz ATV. Vityaz ATV is an all-terrain vehicle manufactured by Vityaz, which is known for its ability to travel on many different types of terrain. This ATV is designed to operate in harsh environmental conditions and is capable of overcoming difficult obstacles.